Hi, my name is Jonah Graham. I'm 17. My stance is regular, and my favorite trick is a board slide. Because it's a fun activity. It's taken me places I never thought I'd go. It's brought me to meet new people I never thought I'd meet, and it's a fun activity and it's very addicting. To grow bigger with DSG and take my skateboarding to the next level and just have fun, hang out with friends, and just do what you do on a daily basis. Hey, my name is Reggie, 26. I ride Goofy. Favorite trick's probably heel flip. I love skating because it's a solitary sport. You get to be by yourself, you trust yourself, and you depend on nobody but yourself. It's physically demanding, unlike some other sports I can think about, but this is the one I choose and this is the one I love. DSG.
You know Reggie, let's do it a thing.
With DSG, I'm trying to grow the brand and grow the name, grow DSG brand and grow my name. Trying to make something bigger, get my name out there for bigger companies and bigger names.
Hi, my name is Drew DeVoe. I'm 23. My stance is regular. And my favorite trick is nose manny 3 shove out.
Skateboarding.
I love skating, man. There's no other sport like it. It's an individual sport. It's just me and the board. I just love able to conquer everything every day, and it brings all my homies together that we're here right now. And it's just the funnest thing. I get to learn new tricks and fall and get back up. Skating is actually more of a life lesson than anything. And there ain't nothing more fun than skating and with the homies in the streets. It's just life, man. DSG, dude, all day. Fuck it, get over here. Goals with DSG is to grow with the company and to keep going up and get more sponsors. Hopefully one day make it up there to get money. But DSG is the family, it's the crew. I'm trying to get up there, get their name up there, get me up there. Let's make skating happen for us at DSG. Let's do work.
Mitchell, age 19, regular, and my favorite trick is fake outside kickflip. Because it's an art, you can make it your own, and it's just a passion, the love and commitment for DSG, yeah. To strive and progress and to get places that I can't get on my own.